Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body's design. And guys, this lecture is a 5 and also previous lecture is 1 to 4 is also available here. And this lecture is very important for a beginner student and explain all this point deeply and clearly. And surface modeling is very important lecture, and this is a today discuss here a boundary surface, and boundary surface lecture is very important. Okay, this use a boundary surface and how to this body is design, and all point is learn here and all process is learn here easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This surface boundary surface is a learn here, and some setting is very important. At first select a part, and part is a this is use a plain white. Okay, and this is a perfected. At first select a plane is a top plane, and sketch draw a simple geometry is a drawing us. This is a center rectangle, and center rectangle is drawing here. A dimension is not mentioned here, this is not important. Okay, and exit, and going to this isometric. Okay, this is perfect. And again select a top plane, and going to this use this okay, this is a perfect, and exit, and select a top plane, and going to this use a plane, and plane is select here this and this is a height is a 110 millimeter. Okay, perfect and correct, and select OK. And this plane and sketch normal or draw a circle is this. Okay, and dimension is also not mentioned here because this is a drawing only a plane. Okay, this plane is height because all geometry line is looking perfect, and this exit, and this plane is height. Okay, and two profile is you can see here on the screen. Okay, very nice. And going to this going to surface, and surface is use here boundary surface is perfect, and select this profile, select here, and this profile is also select here this, and this line is also change here this, and this shape and size is change here. And going to this normal to profile, also this going to normal to profile. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this use a thin surface also, and this is a okay, this is a perfect and correct. And this angle, this is a direction is change here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and also use this, and direction is also change here this increase. Okay, and this is also perfect and correct. Okay, and thickness is also perfect, and thickness is also change here. This angle is also change here, and select a thickness is this, and select this thickness is a select here, and okay, this angle is a select here this, and also this thickness is a select here this. Okay, this is a perfect. and click OK, but this is not user, and some setting is this okay, this is a okay, and this angle is a change here, and this point also okay, and direction is inside, and click OK. Okay, this feature could not be created because it would produce self intersecting geometry. Okay, this is a 0 degree and 0 degree, and this is a point 10. Okay, and this is a okay, but change here this okay, this direction is very high, and this angle is a some lower. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and next is a some increase, this is a and some one point is very important. This is delete here and use this lofted boss. This is a use a lofted surface, and click this profile and also click this profile. This is only a direct, not use a option is normal to surface is use here, and this use only 2 point is a only this, and this is a okay, but this is a delete here, and this use a boundary surface, and this use a very important, and use a none, and use a normal to profile, and this is very important, and this able to only boundary surface, not use a lofted surface. Okay, this is very important. This is a drawing this and some important point is also discussed here. Okay, and drawing this and draw a okay, draw a spline. Okay, and select a plane, this is front plane is select here normal, and also draw a profile line. This is use a spline is drawing here, and this use this point to this to connect to this and okay, and this 2 point is select here and going to pierce. Okay, and also this 2 point is select here and going to pierce, and this 2 point is select here. Okay, okay, this okay, also also select a surface, and this use okay exit, and then use a boundary surface and select this and select this. Okay, delete here this also clear section, this point and this point. Okay, also select this, but this error sketch, delete here. Okay, okay, not mention here this is a hide, and also select this to this and this is very important. Select here this, and okay, and this is a okay, and select here this going to metal, and metal is brush, and brush is this. Okay, guys, next lecture is coming soon. I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design. And guys, this is a use a field surface, and field surface is very important for a beginner, a student, and explain all these points deeply and clearly. And guys, this lecture is 6, and 6 is a discuss a field surface. Okay, let's this point a field surface is a drawing this body, and how to all process is learn here a field surface. Okay, easily drawing here a field surface is very easy drawing here. And okay, let's start here this process is learn here. Okay, at first going to part, and some setting is very important, and this setting is going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and at first select a plane. A plane is use a front plane sketch, and drawing a center line. A center line is drawing here, but not mention any dimension. Okay, exit, and isometric. Okay, and this is normal, and select a plane. Plane is this, use a right plane, and sketch normal. Okay, again drawing a center line, center rectangle is drawing here. Okay, and this is this. Okay, and dimension is also not mentioned here because this is not use here any dimension, because only a process is learn here. Okay, and use a field surface, and click this line, and all a space is a field. Okay, this is very useful, and okay, all point is very important. Okay, and click OK. This surface is a closed surface, and again select a field surface is used here, and this line is a select here. Okay, and this is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, both is correct, and this is a okay, some distance is a this. Okay, and some material is apply here and going to this metal, and at first going to this appearance and select a metal, and metal is a brush, and brush is a this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this is a field surface is very important, and very useful, and this lecture is very important for a beginner, a student is very important, and some basic point is learn here. Okay, guys, next lecture is 7 is coming soon, and okay, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this process is learn here, and to discuss here a planar surface, and all explain all points is learn here a planar surface, and this lecture is 7, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student. Okay, let's start here. This process is learn here. At first going to part, and part is some setting is very important. At first setting this plain white, and this is going to option and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, draw any plane. This is a front plane is better, and this is a use a center rectangle. Okay, and this rectangle is not mention any dimension because this is a use only process is learn here. And going to this exit, and going to this 3D dimension, 3D command, and going to this surface, and surface is use here a planar surface, and click here. Okay, and this is a very important. Okay, and also sketch or drawing a other surface is also draw a circle. Okay, draw a circle. Some point is a drag here. Okay, this is origin point, and this point is a drag here. Okay, and also draw a hexagon, and okay, and also exit here, and going to surface, planar surface, and sketch one by one. Select here this, click OK. Okay, this is a very okay. All is a planar surface is used here, but okay, and this is a important point is use here this, and also select a front plane, sketch or draw a center rectangle. Center rectangle is a draw here this. Okay, and exit. Okay, use a extrude surface, and okay, this is a user this. Okay, upward direction, and this okay, and okay, and this is a use a planar surface is used here. Click a planar surface, and select all edge, and select this, and also select this, and this is a half is a fulfill, and also select this, and this is a this, and this use a this surface is a full side, and okay, and this is a perfect and correct. And also use a planar surface, and click first and second, and then half is a click OK, and then half is a okay. This body is a close here a half. Okay, all point is learn here. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.